Schools normally add comments to their result. In NESAP, there are two types of comment you can add in your result. One is a subject comment, the other is the report comment. For a subject comments are added by subject teachers or subject educators. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add comments for subjects. To add comments, ensure as an educator in charge of one or more subjects, you are in the right school level you are dealing with. To load comments that were added before or that existed on the platform, you pick the class and click load records. This will load all comments that were saved or that were entered in your platform. As you can see, these are comments that were added by this teacher or the administrator on behalf of this class, meaning that this comment will be used in this class whenever results are generated and comment are to be used for subjects. As you can see, this is a comment. Title itself says this comment and it's very descriptive enough, which says that for scoring between 0 to 39.9, this comment should be used. You can add more than one comment for a particular score range. For instance, this same score range is what is being used here, but these are different comments. The reason why you need to have more than one is so that the system can randomly pick any of the comments and apply to any student score between 0 to 39.9. So, but in this tutorial, we just have two. Yours can be more than two, it can be 3, 4, 5, even 100. You can see this is another score range here from 40 to 49.9. About 2 of them are here. And this is another one from 50 to 69.9. About 2 of them are here. For each comment, you can see the score range or the type of comment that is created that is called a score range, meaning that in this case, if a student score between 0 to 39.9, this comment would apply. Same thing with this second one here, but NESAP will have to pick one of the comments to apply. At the top of the comment card, you see there are 3 buttons there. The last button allows you to delete a comment if it's not useful anymore or if it's done by mistake. The second one allows you to edit a comment, to make some changes to the comment and save. The first one allows you to activate or make the comment inactive. This first one here is very crucial because there are some comments that you probably have created but you don't want to use them for now, maybe in the future, or you want to reserve them instead of deleting them, but you want to keep them for tomorrow or for the future. So you can deactivate the comment. So it's still here, but NESAP will not consider this when it's looking for comments. But you can still see it here and work on it tomorrow. Let's assume you work on it and it's okay and you're ready to use it. You can activate the comment. When you create the new comment, they're activated by default. So let's go ahead to add a comment. To add a comment, all you need to do at the top right corner, you see the new comment. Click new comment. Comment requires some few information. One of them is a title and the comment itself. Then the type of comment, if it's a score unit or a score range. A score unit would do a direct comparison. For instance, if you say a student scores 70 and the score unit is 70, that means if 70 is equal to 70, something should be applied. But if it's a score range, you are looking at, say, for instance, a student score 70 and the score range is between 60 to 80. So the platform will compare the student score between 60 to 80. So that is what a score range does. And most likely you want to go with the score range or go with the unit or score unit based on the grading system that was used by that class. So this time we're going to create score range comment between 70 to 100. I'm going to show you a typical example here. So I have done my little hard work by creating 2 comments somewhere in my notepad for score range between 70 to 100. For score range between 70 to 100. So I'm going to use this to apply in my work. So I'm going to copy the first comment here. I'm here. My title, please give it a descriptive title. I prefer you use the range score you want to use for the comment. So I'm going to say 70 to 100. So this is my comment. But if you look at this comment now, I try to consider a name here called Chris. But at this point in this comment, we don't know who this person is. So you need to tell your portal or NestApp that this should apply to the student when their results are rendered. So in doing that, you have to personalize the section by simply removing Chris, go to personalize, and using a particular personalized code called first name. So it says, excellent work, keep it up, whatever will be the first name there. This way, at rendering period, whenever results are to be generated or printed, it will use the student name, assuming this comment will be set for that student. After that, pick the range and actually enter the score range. In this case, we say 70 to 100, minimum, maximum. We want to apply this comment to a particular class, so you pick the class. Let's, in this case now, we're applying it to this nursery 1A here, and want to apply it to all subjects. You can pick it for your own subjects or to all subjects, but to apply to all subjects, you have to select all subjects or your own subjects. You can save this comment by simply clicking save and reuse comments. It's possible that you want to use this comment again, say in another class, say nursery 1B or nursery 2. So you can simply save and reuse the comment again. But if you're sure that you want to use this comment once, use it again, you can simply go by the side there and save comment. But in our case here now, we're going to save it and reuse it again. So I'm going to simply save and reuse. So I have saved it. You can see it here, saved successfully, but it's still here. So I can simply come here, choose a different class, and still apply this comment to that class. That way, you don't have to waste time in trying to go back and forth in creating this comment again. Assuming you are done using this comment, you can simply close. But assuming you are not done and you want to see add more, you still have to click new there. Let's add the second comment. We're still going to apply to 70 to 100 as a title. This is the comment. Again, it's an issue here. This person can possibly be a lady, a she. So we have to take this off and look for the appropriate code there. So we're going to use he or she code there. So this code is very crucial. Do not tamper with the code, as NestApp will read this code as it is. So if this is your comment and you're okay, you put in the score range or score unit, but in our case here, score range 70 to 100 again. Pick the class, select the subjects. In this case, we will just want to use it for this class. So I'm just going to come here and click save. As you can see, if you pick nursery 1 and load, it shows you all the comments plus the added ones that we've added, which is the 70 to 100, 1 and 2. So this is how to set up comments for your subjects as a class teacher or a class educator using NestApp.